Hello everybody, this is my LOSI Micro DT truck. I got it off Craigslist. I traded a Sky Lipo for it. I'd say that was a pretty good deal. This is the transmitter, and I was able to talk the guy into giving me this piece here for charging. He wasn't really wanting to give it to me, and I can plug it into this adapter that I have that came with my AC6 charger, and it just plugs right in, charges up pretty good, about an hour and it's good to go. So let's open the body. Alright, I've got it as is. I've never done any upgrades to it. In fact, I haven't really driven it much, but I really want to make an indoor course. It's got a brush motor, you know, I'm sure it's stock. I don't think there's any upgrades to it. It has these tiny little clips. Aw. And it's the size of my hand. So, alright, let's check it out. Alright, let's try and do some speed runs here. Hopefully the traffic will stay down. Try some grass. Oh, not so much. At least not tall, crappy grass. This little thing will get it. Gets it pretty good.